Imagine a world where your transactions are as private as your thoughts. A world where you can send and receive cryptocurrency without fear of surveillance. Is that world possible? Today, we're diving deep into Beam, a cryptocurrency that promises just that. But is it really as good as it sounds? What is Beam? Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble, a groundbreaking cryptographic protocol. Unlike Bitcoin, which records every transaction on the blockchain, Beam's transactions are shielded, making them virtually untraceable. This means you can send and receive Beam without revealing your identity or the amount you're transacting. Key features of Beam. Privacy. The most prominent feature of Beam is its unparalleled privacy. Thanks to Mimblewimble, your transactions are shielded from public view. Scalability. Beam employs a unique consensus mechanism called Beam Hash-2, which is designed to be more scalable than traditional proof-of-work systems. This means faster transaction times and lower fees. Security. Beam's security is underpinned by its strong cryptographic algorithms and a decentralized network. This makes it resistant to attacks and ensures the integrity of the blockchain. Beam's potential. Beam's privacy features make it a compelling option for those who value financial privacy. It could be particularly useful for individuals in regions with strict capital controls or for businesses that handle sensitive financial data. Challenges and limitations. While Beam offers significant advantages, it's not without its challenges. One of the main criticisms is its relatively small market capitalization compared to other cryptocurrencies. This can make it more volatile and susceptible to price fluctuations. Additionally, Beam's focus on privacy may limit its adoption in certain regions or industries where transparency is a regulatory requirement. Is Beam a good investment? Whether Beam is a good investment depends on your individual risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're looking for a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with potential for growth, Beam could be worth considering. However, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Beam is a promising cryptocurrency that offers a high level of privacy and security. Its unique features and potential applications make it an intriguing option for those who value financial privacy. However, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the challenges and limitations before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.